Hello there, this is Motor Test of the Week. I'm a bit late getting this video out. Should have done one a week ago. This week I thought I'd try something a bit smaller. I've bought a few of these drone racing motors recently. The specs on them seem amazing really for such a light motor. This one is a Turnigy D2205 2600 kV. And yeah, they're pretty damn cheap. Basically I've just bought ones that are on offer and cheap just to give them a try. I've looked at the specs here. Yeah, it's 2600 kV, it's 2 to 4 cell, total output 280 watts, which is amazing for such a small motor. Max current is 28 amps. It says suggested prop 4x45. We'll see about that. It says it would give 700 grams of thrust on a 4x4.5 prop on 4S. So we'll give this a go. And yeah, it comes with screws and stuff. Yeah, I like the little nylon attachment bolt, because it, well, nut rather, because at least it won't come undone. Very thin wires though, but they're nice and flexible, so that's alright. You don't have to get a prop adapter because it's all built in. And on the bottom there, if you're going to be using it on a plane like me, I think they're making something small and fast for this. The bolt hole pattern here actually fits a 28mm X mount, cross mount thing, so you can just bolt that straight on. Obviously not using the screws supplied because you need countersunk screws, but yeah, I thought I'd give one of these a try and see what it's like. Alright, I'll get it on the thrust stand and we'll give it a try. Right then, here we are, all set up. The battery I'm going to run it on is a Rhino 1550 milliamp 25C 3 cell. Get to the watt meter. ESC I'm using is a 25 amp Turnigy Plush, and I'm going to try on 3 cell with the recommended size prop. I think these are Gem Fan, they're the nylon ones, the ones that are much stiffer and stronger. 4x4.5 prop. And yeah, I'm not going to bother running it on 2 cell, just going to give it a run on 3 cell and 4 cell, but let's start with the 3 cell. Oh, let's get out of the way of the scales. Only thing I've done on that is set the brake. There wasn't very much thrust there really. Only 88 watts. 7.42 amps. Hardly anything really. Right, so I think I'll stick something better on, see what we get with the thrust. Right, I've stepped it up now to a TGS 4.5 by 4.5 prop. Still on a 3 cell. I didn't bother topping it up because I hardly drew any current with the other test, so let's see what we get here. That's a bit better. Only 13 amps. Or 13.78. No temperature in the motor at all. Right, so I think I can probably step up a bit more than that. Okay, now I've gone up to another TGS prop. It's a 4.75 by 4.75. So a lot more prop on there now. So let's see another test on 3-cell. I did top the battery up this time, so let's see what we get. Still not that brilliant thrust. .34 amps, 187 watts. It's still totally cold. Well, let's give that another quick run. Not that brilliant, really. Right, let's see what else we can do. Right, I've topped the battery up again, and now I've gone right up to a 6x4 TGS prop. Could be too much for it, but I don't know. Let's give it one quick blast, and turn the scales on. Let's see what sort of thrust this can put out. I don't know if these little motors have got the torque really, but let's see. That was more like it. Let's see what we get here. Ooh, 23 amps. It's probably a bit too much for it. Right. Oh, what have I done with my temperature thing? Ah, there it is. Let me just get the old temperature thing out. There you got that off. Let's give us another blast. Bit of a longer blast there. Still the same. The battery has dropped off, so still the same on there. Check the temps. Uh, 32 degrees. No, it doesn't really feel that hot. Obviously in the air it would stay cooler, so yeah, it's not too bad. So blimey, you can put quite a big prop on there, I'd say. For yeah, 6x4 TGS prop on such a little motor. It did turn it. 700 grams of thrust, not bad. Right, let's see what it does on a 4-cell. Okay, I've put the little Gem Fan 4x4.5 prop back on, and battery I'm going to try it on is a Zippy Compact 1300 milliamp 35C 4-cell. So let's see if this puts out the thrust it says. thrust. Not bad though. Voltage drop is quite low for a 4-cell. Oh no, no it wasn't. I was looking at the wrong thing. Yeah, so it was only, what was that? 12.5 amps, 200 watts. So that's not bad. Right, let's try another prop. Okay, now I'm going to try another TGS 4.1 by 4.1 prop. Did top the battery up because it hardly went down at all. So let's see what we get here. Same on the thrust really. Ooh, crikey. That was way too much. Well, it's 21 amps. Hang on. Folks. It was 21 amps, but it was 333 watts. It's like 100 watts more than it's supposed to have. Let's give this one more run. Yeah, those figures didn't change. Still the same. Oh, it's the first time I've actually felt it warm. I went above 30 degrees, but I mean that's not totally terrible, is it? Don't feel too bad. Right, there's one more prop I want to try for a laugh. Let's see what happens with that. Okay, this prop I'm just going to try for a laugh. What it is it's a Hobby King, really cheap, you know, 20p or something there for a pack of two, a left-handed one and a right-handed one. Was it 3.5 by 5 prop? They were so cheap I thought I'd get some, just give it a try. But what I've done is I've reshaped the tips, so instead of being just it's the Hobby King ball nose type, and I'm not really sure about those, so what I've done is I've reshaped the tip so that they're more like a sports prop. So I haven't cut it down, it's still the same length, but so we'll see what that does. It could be a nice little high-speed prop for a small plane. Let's see what thrust it gets. Probably not a lot. There's nearly 400 grams there. I didn't top the battery up, so yeah. Probably would get just about hit 400 grams on a fully charged battery, but yeah. that's not too bad. Nice little prop. Yeah, that could be fun. Worth giving that a go. Yeah, still the same. Anyway, yeah, that was the Turnigy 2205 2600 kV motor. Thought I'd give that one a little test. We'll make a little flying wing for that. That would be pretty cool. Right, that's the end of this video. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. And I'll be doing motor tests like this every week, although I didn't put one out last week, but I was a bit busy. But yeah, that's this week's one. Right, I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.